little puppies up here?
No, we can only have one.
One
up
at a
here.
time.
Why?
Because they don't like to be. Oh, your hands are like ice. Where were their hands?
I don't know.
Hurry up, Grandma. It'll be a week.
I'm recording. I'm recording. Oh, you give me kisses.
God, they're both giving me kisses.
Why are your hands so cold? Did you have your hands in water?
She likes the kisses.
Ah, they gotta give her kisses. Oh.
Did they give you a kiss, Rachel?
Yes, they give Rachel a kissy. Rachel's a big.
Hey, Pumpkin. Stop it. She kisses me now.
Yeah. On my hand. And I think stop.
What's the matter?
Did they eat?
Yeah.
Can you help me and you
She gave you a kissy on the hand. I told you he would, because she's a good girl.
Be quiet.
What should we name the puppy?